Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to disable location sharing without anyone knowing. So if you're going to open your Find My Device app, so basically right from here and then tap on me right here at the bottom right hand corner and then scroll down, and if you actually disable the share my location, it will prompt to the app to the members of your family. So what you're going to do here is by disabling your Wi-Fi or data connection. So if we swipe up your phone basically here, so just disable, turn off your cellular data and Wi-Fi and turn on airplane mode. But this is not actually the ideal if you are using network connection. So what we're going to do here is basically go to your phone settings. So we're going to the home screen and find these settings. Here on settings, scroll down and then tap on this privacy and security. Here, just need to go to location services right there at the top. And basically just need to turn off or disable this option. Or you can actually just turn off the Find My Device app. So you can actually turn off this specific application. So for example, if you're going back to turn on this location services, find the Find My Device app and just tap on Never to disallow location access. So that's it. That's how you basically disable location sharing without anyone knowing. So if you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.